December song, the melody that saved me on those less than silent nights. Well, the snow would fall upon my bed, white sugar from Jesus, and take me to the day she could always smile, the virgin child.